Today in the shop, we're going to be replacing a loose left front upper ball joint on this 2006 Honda Accord. See it playing that ball joint? No good. To remove the upper control arm, the first thing we want to do is remove the top mounting strut bolts. The first two bolts I'm going to remove are the 12mm strut tower brace bolts here. We're going to remove the three top mounting plate bolts on the struts. Do not remove the one in the middle. Raise and support your vehicle and remove your front wheel. Remove your cotter pin from your castellated nut. Remove the 17mm castellated nut from the ball joint. Remove the 10mm bolt holding the ABS line to the upper control arm. Pull it free. Use your hammer and strike the spindle where the ball joint stud goes through. There you go, breaks free. Now for the next step, what you can't see me doing. I'm going to pry down on the lower control arm, and I'm going to move the top of the strut out of the mounting holes at the top and just pull it forward. With the strut pulled forward, I can put my 6-inch extension in my 14mm socket in behind the strut to get access to the bolts. One side. Two bolts removed. Take your hands in there. Pull your mounting bolts out. Pull your control arm out. Voila, really easy. We have our new upper control arm assembly, new castellated nut. Don't forget to take the dust boot off. Sorry, the protective boot. Slide your new control arm in. Put your bolts back through. While holding the control arm in a upward position, kind of in the middle where it would sit if the car is on the ground, and tighten the bolts up. Pry back down on the lower control arm and place your strut back in. Push your control arm back down through your spindle hole. Start your castellated nut. Tighten it up till you have a cotter pin hole exposed and you can put a new cotter pin in it. New cotter pins installed. Put your 10 mil bolt back on your ABS line. At this point, go ahead and put your tire back on. Just going to put my strut hardware back on here, and we're all done.